Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you exactly how you can come to Canada in as fast as 14 days easily. Now, why did I mention the word easily? Well guys, first of all, you don't need to take an IELTS exam for this program, and I know for a fact that a lot of people find the IELTS quite challenging. Now guys, the second reason is that your employer doesn't need to get an LMIA to get you to Canada. But what exactly is an LMIA? Guys, an LMIA, also known as Labor Market Impact Assessment, is an extra process that your employer will have to go through in order to get you into Canada. And the process can take up to weeks or even months to get a result. And if your result turns out to be negative, then you're just wasting your job offer. So thanks for this program, because you just saved your life from a negative LMIA result. Third, you don't need to have a very high level of education. A college or even a high school degree is enough. Guys, through this IMP or the International Mobility Program, how you can bring your skills and talent to Canada to benefit its cultural or social values, that is more important than anything else. Now on to the most exciting part, the step-by-step process on how to live and work in Canada through the International Mobility Program. Alright guys, so the very first is to secure a job offer in Canada from an employer who is eligible to hire foreign workers under the International Mobility Program. Guys, I'm gonna show you the list of employers. Guys, no worries, I'm gonna show you those lists of employers. So go to canadacareersite.com. I repeat, that's canadacareersite.com, and then click on immigration facts menu right here. Once you click on that, it will take you into this page. Guys, the very first one, I have compiled the list of employers who have applied for a labor market impact assessment, LMIA, to hire a foreign worker to fill labor or skills shortages. Guys, simply click on each employer to explore job openings. So once we click on this one, it will pull up and show you all of those employers. Guys, these are employers who are actually looking for people who are inside and most especially outside of Canada. So basically foreign skilled workers living outside of Canada, both for jobs that are LMIA and non-LMIA. So we have like this one. Let's try to take a look at this one. And then click on the employer here. Then it will take you into this page. Scroll a little bit more down and you will see the job openings from that specific employer. So you guys can do for the rest of the employers as well. Moving on to the second step, guys, is for the employer to submit an official job offer in Canada through the employer portal and will pay a compliance fee of 230 Canadian dollars. Let me show you guys the employer portal. Before we move on, guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell, hit the thumbs up. I really appreciate all of the support. So guys, let me show you the employer portal. So this is the employer portal page, and this employer portal is for employers who hire temporary workers through the International Mobility Program. It lets employers submit offers of employment for temporary workers who do not need a labor market impact assessment. The link is right over here. Now, if you guys have an open work permit, the employer doesn't need to send a job offer or pay the compliance fee, making your application easier and faster to process. Now, step 3, guys, the employer will receive an employment number. Guys, step 4 is very much related to step 3. You need to obtain that employment number to complete your work permit application. Moving on to step 5, guys, your application will be reviewed to see if you are eligible to work in Canada. If approved, you get a letter of introduction, also known as the LOI, and of course a work permit. And finally, guys, step 6 is the happiest part: to move to Canada and start your new job. Guys, note that you may qualify for expedited work permit processing through the Global Skills Strategy if your position is NOC skill levels A or 0 and you are applying from outside of Canada. Remember, you must be applying from outside of Canada. Now guys, let's talk about the different IMP work permit streams that you can apply. Alright, so the first work permit stream that you guys can apply under the International Mobility Program is the International Free Trade Agreements, more commonly known as FTAs. Now let me show you guys samples of free trade agreements or FTAs so you guys have an idea. Let's start with the North American Free Trade Agreement, and then we have Canada-Chile FTA, Canada-Peru FTA, Canada-Colombia FTA, Canada-Korea FTA, Canada-European Union Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement or CETA, and of course, General Agreement on Trade in Services. The second work permit stream under the International Mobility Program, guys, is the Intra Company Transferees, also known as ICT. So your employer can move you to Canada if you can bring social and cultural benefit to the country. And then we have the third one, reciprocal youth exchange agreements. For example, we have the International Experience Canada, also known as the IEC. Guys, I have created a comprehensive guide about the International Experience Canada. All you have to do is go to ztcanada.com and then go to work. Click on International Experience Canada IEC menu over here. It will take you into this page where you can read a lot of information about IEC. And then on the lowermost part, you can actually watch a video that I created myself as well. Now, the fourth work permit stream under the International Mobility Program is the Post-Graduation Work Permit, also known as PGWP. So these are for international students who have graduated in Canada. Guys, no worries, you can find more information about PGWP or Post-Graduation Work Permit by going to ztcanada.com and then go to Study menu and then go down here and click on Post-Graduation Work Permit or PGWP. So this is the page, guys. You can read more about this one by going through this page. Finally, we have for number 5 the Bridging Open Work Permit, also known as the BOWP. No worries guys, I am happy to discuss more about this in details in the next videos. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you guys get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Guys, if you have any immigration related concerns, please don't hesitate to let me know at ztcanada.com/book an appointment. I repeat, that's ztcanada.com/book an appointment. If you have job related concerns or looking for a job, go to canadacareersite.com/register. I repeat, that's canadacareersite.com/register. Now guys, I have a lot of valuable videos for you. Simply go to my channel ZT Canada and then go to videos. So here you can find very urgent hiring to Canada direct hire. We also have here Canada's fastest immigration pathway, and then we have 10 best places to live in Canada. We have a video on how to obtain your WES report, and then we have top 8 easiest ways to immigrate to Canada. We also have the easiest and fastest way to immigrate to Canada through the AIPP. Guys, I invite you to go to my channel and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you guys are notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write down in the comment section down below. If you guys haven't watched my previous videos about Express Entry, you can try going through these videos right here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Good luck!